How to activate Gemini on Android. So if you want to activate Gemini on your Android devices, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google. Once you open up your Google, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile option. Under profile, you need to go with the settings option. Once you tap on settings, here you will have Google Assistant and Gemini, right? So tap on Google Assistant. Once you tap on it, go with Hey Google and voice match. And after that, toggle off Hey Google. Once you turn off your Hey Google, now you need to go back and you just need to simply again go back and then go with Gemini and turn your Gemini on. So if it is first time activating your Gemini, then you'll have an option of more on the bottom right. Once you tap on more, you'll have continue option. You just need to simply go with continue and you need to go to the last page, which looks like this. Once you get this kind of interface, now you'll be able to see the Gemini application or the Gemini interface on your apps. So here you can see that I have the Gemini option, right, which is right here. So once you get this kind of interface, then that means your Gemini is activated on your Android. You can simply tap on that and that's it. So that's how you can activate your Gemini on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.